So what gear do you really need in order to start an online course business? What are the different gear pieces and what is the absolute bare minimum amount of money that you can invest to start and launch your first online course business? This video right here is going to be a full guide in which we're going to go through every single gear piece that you need to buy perhaps or you have already in your house in order to start an online course business with the absolute least amount of money invested. In other words, in this video, we're going through the most value for money gear pieces that you need to have in order to start this online course business. Now, there's nothing easier for me than to start naming expensive cameras, lenses, lights, and all of that stuff. But the reality is that you do not need expensive gear to start an online course business. In fact, there are two categories of gear pieces that you need to invest in or you can find for free in order again to start this online course business. The first category of gear is recording gear and the second category of gear is video editing gear. Obviously, the products that we're going to be selling in our online course business are going to be videos, right? Online courses are videos. So let's start by analyzing recording gear. Now, this category of gear, right, recording gear, is further subdivided into two gear pieces that you absolutely need to have. The first one is a video recording device, which, trust me, it can 100% absolutely be your phone. So again, this could be your phone, your camera, even your computer's camera. You just need a way to record video and audio of you going through your presentations, going through your lessons, right? So the amount of money that you need to invest up until this point could be anywhere from $0, right? Completely free. You can just record videos with your phone, up to more than $20,000 if you want buying a very expensive camera gear setup. But again, if I was starting out, I would use my phone to record videos for my online courses. Now, the second part of recording gear that we need to have in order to start this online course business is a screen recording software. The absolute best way to create an online course and to go through the lessons is to elaborate on a PowerPoint presentation, okay, and present a PowerPoint presentation as part of your course. So we absolutely need a screen recording software to record the screen of our computer as we're going through those slides. As you can imagine, there are many screen recording software that are provided completely for free, so you don't need to pay anything to download a basic screen recording software. QuickTime Player, for example, which is a video player, actually gives you a screen recording software option. VLC also has a screen recording software embedded in it. And if you actually want to invest in a better screen recording software, you can use my screen recording software of choice, which is Camtasia. So look at this, the first category of gear is absolutely done. We have our video recording device, our phone, and we have our screen recording software, which could be VLC, QuickTime, or Camtasia. Now we have all the gear that we need in order to produce our videos. After we have recorded our videos, it is time to move to the second category of gear that we need, which is of course a video editing software. We need to edit those videos. And again, the editing process in order to create an online course is extremely easy. Creating educational videos and online course lessons requires some of the most basic video editing skills. So trust me, you do not need Final Cut Pro, you do not need Premiere Pro, you know, some of the very expensive video editing software. A very basic free video editing software such as CapCut will 100% get the job done on a basic level, again, to get your online course business started from the ground. The editing process of an online course could be anywhere from very easy if you're a beginner to very, very elaborate if you want your online courses to be more professional. But as a complete beginner, all you need to do is drag and drop the files that you have recorded with your phone and with your screen recording software and synchronize them. So again, there is an image of you explaining the slides and the slides just moving as you explain them. And this is pretty much all you need to be able to produce different lessons for your online course. So let's say that now we have our lessons complete. We have recorded our lessons, we have edited the lessons, and now we have the 10 different files. For example, if you have a course with 10 different lessons on our computer. Are we ready to upload this course on Skillshare, Udemy, and other online course marketplaces? Well, the answer is no, because we're missing two very important things. The first thing is a great thumbnail for this course, and the second thing is search engine optimized titles and descriptions to drive more audience to buy our course. So let's go through the tools that you need to have in order to search engine optimize the title and description of the course, and again to create a great thumbnail to drive more clicks. Because you might have the best course on Udemy, the best course on Skillshare, but if the thumbnail isn't good enough, no one's gonna click it and no one's gonna buy the course, and you will generate zero $0. So please pay close attention into those two next steps. So let's start with creating a thumbnail. What gear do you need in order to create a thumbnail for your course? Now, thumbnail creation is an art, and pretty much you can pay someone to create thumbnails for you, but let's say that you want to do this for completely free. An amazing free tool to create professionally looking thumbnails, especially for your courses, but also for your YouTube channel, is actually Canva. Canva is a free online tool in which you have templates of different videos, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, thumbnails, and all of that stuff, and you can tweak them, you can change the font, you can change the images in there, and it is very, very easy to use. So Canva, I would 100% recommend for all of you that don't want to hire graphic designers to do your thumbnails. Do your thumbnails in Canva. This is the absolute best free designer tool to design your thumbnails. Once our thumbnails are done and we have downloaded them, it is time to move to search engine optimizing the title, the description, the data, the tags of, again, our courses. And this we're going to be doing with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is amazing at copywriting, and it's really going to help us in the search engine optimization part of our course. Now, there are many different artificial intelligence tools that we can use for copywriting, but let's stick with the basics and go with the completely free option of ChatGPT. And you're not going to need GPT-4 for this. We can do this with ChatGPT-3. The best way to search engine optimize our course using ChatGPT is by asking ChatGPT the correct questions, okay? Ask ChatGPT to suggest you some titles. Give the correct input to ChatGPT, so give information about your course, what you're selling, to who you're selling, which is your target audience, okay? How much you're going to price your course, and ChatGPT will give you back the correct titles, the correct descriptions. So it all comes down again to using the correct prompt, asking the correct questions to ChatGPT to get the correct answers back and search engine optimize your course in the biggest level possible. If you're a complete course beginner and you want to utilize the full extent, the full power of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence to help you in your online course business, I would 100% check out CourseGPT. CourseGPT is a product that I have created. It is a ChatGPT prompt list designed especially for online course creators, and pretty much it has more than 500 different prompts that you can use in every single subcategory of online course creation. So we got different prompts to ask ChatGPT to script the course for you, to copyright the course for you, to write titles, descriptions, search engine optimization prompts. So pretty much every single ChatGPT prompt that you will need, I have in CourseGPT, which is the first link in the description, and it also costs like less than $10, so you're gonna get your money back. So look at this. We recorded, edited, search engine optimized, and created a thumbnail for our course for completely free. We spent $0 in this whole process, and trust me, there is a way to spend thousands and thousands of dollars in this. We can pay for a very expensive camera, for a very expensive video editing software, for a very expensive screen recording software. Then we can have professionals design our thumbnails and search engine optimize our courses, but there is a way to do this for completely free, and this is exactly what we analyzed in this video right here. So now that we have our online course ready for completely free, it is time to make money from this course and market this course. So if you want to learn how to market your course and sell your course without spending a single dollar on advertising, check this video right here. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.